Hey, Motorman here. I'm on a 2020 or 2019 Goldwing with the DCT automatic transmission. This is one of my students. He's doing very well with it. I have no experience whatsoever with this bike, and I just took it around the parking lot, did a couple of maneuvers with it. It definitely takes some getting used to. I'm so used to having the clutch right here to be able to control it at low speeds, and here you just got the throttle, which is very sensitive, and the rear brake to help you. I've got it in rain mode because that gives you the least amount of throttle. It still is a little touchy. I would say it's going to take you probably an extra day. You know, if you practiced 8 hours these maneuvers, it's probably going to take you all of those 8 hours to really get the hang of it, to be able to maneuver the bike very well. I'm going to go through a couple of exercises and give it a try. And like I said, this is my first time. I'm you know, it's not my bike too, so I'm going to be a little shy about really pushing the bike. I'm guessing it would take me about a good hour of practice to be able to get down to, say, 20-foot turns. I'm sure I could get down to 18, but that would take me about 3 hours or so of practice, constant practice with it. But for the average rider who's learning these skills, as you can see, the bike does it. But it's a little bit touchy on that throttle. You got to catch it just right, the right combination of throttle against the rear brake. Personally, I like the shifter. It makes it much easier to control. It can still be done. As you can see, the bike's got 2 wheels. The techniques work. You just don't have to worry about a friction zone. You got to worry more about getting that throttle just right because it's kind of sensitive. So the amount of pressure on the rear brake versus the amount of throttle you use, that's what's the most important on this bike. Thanks.